The emergence of digital currencies has necessitated the development of legal frameworks to regulate and guide their use. Establishing a comprehensive legal framework for the crypto world involves addressing several key areas to ensure security, transparency, and compliance with existing laws. Here are the primary components of such a framework. Regulatory clarity. Defining digital assets. Clear definitions of different types of digital assets, e.g., cryptocurrencies, utility tokens, security tokens, are essential for consistent regulation. Licensing requirements. Establishing licensing regimes for businesses operating in the crypto space, such as exchanges, wallet providers, and payment processors. Anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC. AML compliance. Implementing robust anti-money laundering measures to prevent the misuse of digital currencies for illicit activities. KYC protocols. Requiring crypto businesses to verify the identities of their customers, similar to traditional financial institutions, to ensure traceability and accountability.